Hello children, today's thought is do the right thing even when no one is looking. Children, the shortest and sweetest way to live with the honor in the world is to be in reality what we would appear to be. So always do the right thing. Let's continue our lesson number 9, symmetry. We have already completed question number 1, that to identify open and the closed figures. Now here is question number 2. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. See, this is a figure. One quadrilateral is here, and in quadrilateral there is a point A inside the quadrilateral, and outside the quadrilateral there are points B and C. Point B and point C. Now based on this there are certain question answers. So first question is, can we join points A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure? This is a figure and the question is, can we join points A and B? Now see, this is point A and this is point B. Can we join these 2 points with a line that does not touch a given figure? No, because if we join the points A and point B, then the line will touch from this side. So, we cannot join or we cannot draw a line that does not touch the given figure. So, your answer is no, we cannot draw a line joining the points A and B that does not touch the given figure. Second question is, can we join points B and C in the same way? Now see, again this is a figure. Now can we join the point B and C in the same way? Can we join these points? No, because if we draw a straight line, then it will definitely pass through these 2 sides. But if we draw a curved line here from B to C, then it will not touch the given figure. Okay. So, the answer is no. We cannot join the points B and C with a straight line, but we can join points B and C with the help of a curved line that does not touch the given figure as follows. Now see, we cannot draw a line like this, we cannot draw a straight line, but we can draw such a curved line here from point B to point C. Now the next question is question number 3. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. Now see, this is a figure. This is an open figure. Here is point P, here is point F and point M. Okay, now there are certain question answers based on this figure. So first question is, can we join points P and F with a line that does not touch the given figure? Can we join these 2 points P and F with a line that does not touch a given figure? Yes, we can join such a line that does not touch a given figure. So, answer is yes, we can join points P and F with a line that does not touch the given figure as follows. See, we can join these 2 points with such a curved line. Okay. The next question is, can we join points P and M in the same way? Can we join these 2 points? Yes, we can join these 2 points with the help of curved line in the same way. So, answer is yes, we can join points P and M in the same way. Okay, we can join these 2 points with a curved line. Okay children. So children, with this our topic lesson number 9 is completed now. Okay, and along with that part 1 of mathematics textbook is also completed. From the next period onwards we will start part 2 of maths textbook. Okay, so you have to practice it and note it down in your maths copy. Today we stop here. Practice it. Happy learning.